Do not get discouraged. Not everybody will be happy for you. Not everybody will support you. Do not seek validation from your haters. You must always be a trendsetter and do not compete with anyone. Because if you compete, you run a risk of losing. As you look at a human being buying a bracelet of 450,000 and you think you can beat that, you don't know where that money comes from. You only know about your money. I always tell my son that I'm the richest man in the world. And he says, Dad, what do you mean? I say, I only know my bank balance. I don't want to know any other person's bank balance. After knowing it, what must I do with it? Move at your own pace. Do not compete. Be a trendsetter.